Why do industrial energy-saving air conditioners cut electricity use by 50%? I'll explain in a video today. To start, our industrial air conditioners feature scroll compressors renowned for their stability, renowned reliability. The evaporators are larger than central air conditioners in size, providing broader cooling coverage. One unit can replace multiple traditional air conditioners for cooling effect and coverage area. The outdoor units use both air and water cooling for more efficient heat dissipation. Our industrial air conditioners have National Energy Efficiency certification. Offers better energy savings and cooling than central air conditioners for factories. If your factory faces summer heat over 40 degrees Celsius, our industrial air conditioners can cool it to below 30 degrees Celsius.